Conchita Leeflang. Kid Rock and Conchita Leeflang dated from 2005-2006. Tamara Mellon. Kid Rock reportedly briefly dated Tamara Mellon in 2006. Erin Naas. Kid Rock was romantically linked to Erin Naas after the two met at a Billboard Awards party in Las Vegas in 2006. Paris Hilton. In 2007, Kid Rock was photographed getting cozy with Paris Hilton. More Paris Hilton. 38 of 50 celebrities were sick of in 2021. 11 of 1891 the greatest musical artists of all time. 271 of 295 the best duos of all time. Andersen. Kid Rock and Andersen dated on and off from 2007-2008. Alyssa Lipsky. After meeting during a Rolling Stone cover shoot in 2007, Kid Rock and Alyssa Lipsky dated for several months. Kellie Pickler. In 2009, it was revealed that Kellie Pickler had been secretly dating Kid Rock for a year. More Kellie Pickler. 5 of 289. The Best Dancing with the Stars contestants, ranked 80 of 198, greatest new female vocalists of the past 10 years, 120 of 213, the best current female singers. Audrey Berry. In April 2017, Kid Rock became engaged to his longtime girlfriend Audrey Berry.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.